Alright, so I have no intake. My traction controls are off. Sport mode, well, dynamic, and manual mode, so it gets a little bit higher shift points. I'm not going to brake torque or anything, so it's consistent. This is with the stock intake. 1, 2, 3. Alright, here's another one going directly into the sun. Still a stock intake. Alright, this is the same as before, except now I have my RaceTune chip in full attack mode. So 1, 2, 3, let's go! There was definitely a lot more wheel spin that time. Alright, so I have the intake installed now. I do not have the top plate on it, so it's just open the top because I did it mostly for sound. Traction control off, dynamic mode, tune is off. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Just turned on the RaceChip onto its race setting. So let's see how this is going to go. Still dynamic, traction off. Let's check. Auto holds on, so I'm not going to brake torque. And this is the V90, it's a base T5.